Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Rev up your journey with our advanced tire pump, a true game changer for effortless inflation on the go. Powered by a robust 10,000 mAh battery and spinning at an impressive 120,000 RPM, it fills tires from 30 to 36 psi in just 22 seconds, allowing up to 32 full inflations on a single charge. Its fully automatic self-stop function lets you set the desired inflation mode and relax while it works, and the digital pressure gauge ensures accurate readings for the perfect tire pressure every time. Weighing only 592 grams, this cordless pump operates with 50% less noise than traditional models and comes equipped with LED lights for nighttime use. Plus, with its 12-volt DC support, charging in just 3 hours, and even the ability to charge your phone, it's the ultimate essential for travel, camping, and emergencies. Upgrade your vehicle's towing capability with our robust 2-inch square receiver hitch, rated for an impressive 3,500 pounds gross trailer weight and 350 pounds ton weight. Crafted from unique all-in-one heavy-duty tubes and reinforced with thick welds, this hitch is engineered for unmatched strength and durability. Specifically designed for 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK models, both 2-door and 4-door. It boasts a heavy-duty steel construction with a sleek black powder-coated finish that resists rust and corrosion for long-lasting performance. Installation is a breeze with its direct bolt-on design that requires no drilling. All mounting hardware and a plug-and-play wiring harness are included. Plus, the included hitch cover protects the receiver tube from mud, dirt, and pests when not in use, keeping your setup pristine. Elevate your drive with our universal steering wheel cover, meticulously crafted for larger wheels, ranging from 15.5 inches to 16 inches in diameter. Featuring an innovative, flexible inner ring for effortless, quick installation, it comes with clear instructions to get you on the road in no time. Although your cover will ship folded, any creases vanish shortly after installation, revealing a sleek, refined finish. Made from finely perforated, breathable microfiber leather, this cover offers maximum comfort and infuses your car with the luxurious feel of a high-performance sports vehicle. Designed with high-temperature resistant materials and a premium inner ring, it promises enduring durability and a touch of style that stands the test of time. Experience real-time driving data with advanced HUD display speedometer powered by our exclusive V-Joycar chipset that delivers a true 10 Hz refresh rate for instantaneous speed updates. Unlike many imitations, Unit collects speed data directly from GPS satellites completely independent of your car's engine or OBD port, making it safe for any vehicle. You may notice a minor 1 to 5% difference compared to dashboard readings. Much like a radar gun, installation is effortless with the included USB cable. Plug it into your car's USB port or use a car adapter for plug-and-play convenience. The display automatically powers on with your car's ACC and shows your speed in bold fonts, then shuts off with zero power consumption when the ACC is off. Enjoy a seamless driving experience, and if you're not completely satisfied, please contact us for a refund. Upgrade your daily routine with premium car garbage bags, meticulously crafted from high-quality Oxford cloth that stands up to scratches and everyday wear. These reusable bags are not only eco-friendly, but also a breeze to maintain. Simply wash and dry them for instant reuse. Perfectly suited for a variety of environments, they work seamlessly in your car, office, home, or even on camping trips, making trash disposal both convenient and efficient. The cleverly designed Velcro bottom allows you to easily dump garbage directly into a larger can, streamlining your cleanup process without any hassle. Despite their compact footprint, these trash cans offer ample capacity without encroaching on your leg space, keeping your environment tidy and comfortable wherever you go. Not every windshield sunshade truly blocks UV rays, but Kinderfluff stands apart. It's the only sunshade that's both waterproof and UV certified, effectively blocking 99.87% of UVB and 99.02% of UVA rays for maximum UPF protection. This remarkable barrier not only shields you from harmful rays, but also preserves your car's interior by preventing fading, cracks, and deterioration. Expertly crafted from reflective polyester, Kinderfluff's large sunshade is lightweight yet durable, delivering reliable protection for your dashboard, steering wheel, accessories, and seat covers. Its exclusive connector clamps ensure exceptional durability, easily adjusting via overlapping rings for a snug fit on windshields measuring up to 63 by 35 inches. With effortless installation, removal, folding, and storage, thanks to the included flexible pouch, this sunshade tucks neatly away in your vehicle when not in use, whether behind visors, in door pockets, under seats, or in backseat organizers. Transform your daily drive with impeccably designed auto document holder, a sleek solution to keep your essential paperwork neatly organized and always within reach. No more scrambling through a cluttered glove box. This elegant wallet case secures everything from registration and insurance cards to business cards, emergency info, and gas cards in one convenient place. Thoughtfully crafted with 6 clear sleeves, it ensures your vital documents are visible, secure, and ready when you need them. Constructed from premium PU leather, paired with heavy-duty vinyl PVC, it's built to last, resisting scratches, tears, and daily wear. With dimensions of 9.5 by 5.1 inch and weighing just 0.12 pounds, this slim, lightweight organizer fits effortlessly into any glove box or console, accommodating documents up to 9 by 4.7 inch and offering ample space for all your essentials. Immerse yourself in tranquility with this essential oil diffuser, a true aromatherapy marvel that transforms any space into a serene oasis. Featuring an extra-large, easy-to-clean 2,000 milliliter water tank and 7 mesmerizing LED light colors, it lets you tailor your experience with multiple mist modes. Safety is paramount. Its auto-switch feature prevents overheating when the water runs low. Not only does it diffuse your favorite scents, but it also functions as a humidifier, improving indoor air quality, masking odors from pets or smoke, and shielding your family from the discomfort of dry air. With a capacity of up to 2,200 milliliters, it can run continuously for up to 40 hours on low mist, making it perfect for overnight use. Adjustable mist output and intuitive controls ensure a customizable experience without the hassle of a remote. This diffuser combines style, functionality, and lasting performance, making it an ideal, thoughtful gift that enhances any home environment. Discover the ultimate air pump engineered for trucks and SUVs, a robust double-cylinder metal inflator that pushes up to 150 psi with an impressive airflow of 70 L/min. This powerhouse can inflate a 270 R18 tire from 0 to 40 psi in just 3 minutes, making it 4 times faster than a conventional single-cylinder pump. Its clever thermal design not only ensures a stable performance with low noise and minimal temperature increase, but its simplicity means even novices can master it within 5 minutes. Outfitted with 4 versatile nozzles, this pump is an indispensable companion for camping trips, easily inflating sleeping pads, mountain bike tires, and even inflatable canoes. Lightweight and compact, it fits neatly in your trunk, while built-in emergency LED lights provide essential illumination for roadside checks during those dark nights. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Transform your ride with our premium bottom seat covers. Crafted from soft PU leather that not only protects your car interior long-term, but also brings an elegant touch to your vehicle. The built-in elastic sponge layer delivers exceptional comfort for your hips during every drive, while simple care, just a gentle wipe with a dry towel, keeps them looking fresh. Designed with a stylish edge wrap for a 3-dimensional look, these covers offer full protection and feature a handy front storage pocket for easy access to your phone, wallet, and other essentials. universally to fit most cars, crossovers, trucks, and pickups. Please measure your seat for the perfect fit before purchasing. The non-slip gel bottom, combined with secure chucks, hooks, and a long elastic strap fastened with a buckle, ensures your cover stays in place. Enjoy a quick 5-minute installation and give your car a new, sophisticated look. Experience driving with the MagSafe car charger with an extremely convenient design and perfect for iPhone users. Featuring an impressive 1,300 grams suction force and a built-in magnetic element, this mount holds your phone securely without disrupting your mobile signal, ensuring smooth navigation at all times. Enjoy the convenience of 15-watt fast wireless charging. Just place your iPhone 14 on the mount, and it will automatically align, lock, and charge efficiently. Versatility is key, as the charger offers multiple installation options with a 3M VHB adhesive pad and vent clips, so you can mount it on your dashboard, air vent, or desk for optimal use. Its 360-degree flexible joint lets you easily switch between portrait and landscape modes, and with one-handed operation, your phone locks into place with automatic adsorption.